my dear students. Today, we're going to learn about Lesson 5.2, Building Circuits. On your student book, it is on page number 74 to 75. To start with, let's do the pre-assessment. So you're going to name each component of electric circuit, then write your answer in your notebook. This is for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to name each component of electric circuit. You have only 2 minutes to do this activity. For learning objective of this lesson, to construct complete circuits using switch, cell, wire, and lamps. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to construct a complete circuits using the different components of a circuit like switch, cell, wire, and lamps. For your individual work, take a look this incomplete circuit. What you will do to make the circuit will work. Write your thought on your whiteboard. So you have only 3 minutes to do this activity. On the right side of your notebook, write the success criteria and meaning of keyword that you can see in the glossary of your book. For the success criteria, write 1 or 2 points on what you will learn at the end of the lesson. Then you're going to find the definition of a keyword using the glossary of your book. The keyword is connect, so you have only 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, it's time for discussion. You will have an oral questioning. Take a look at this slideshow and tell what is happening in each step. Making a simple circuit. For your pair work activity, you will have the think, pair, and share. Read through the information on student book on page 74 to 75. You're going to answer the question 1 and 2 and then write your answer in your notebook. Discuss your answer with your partner. Building circuits. You're going to work with the following components: battery, battery holder, bulb holder, lamp, switch, and wires. Do you know what each component does in the circuit? You're going to answer this one and tell the answer to your partner. And then, read through these instructions for building a simple circuit using these components. First, check that you have all your components. Second, put the battery into the battery holder, paying attention to the positive and negative signs. Next, screw the lamp into the lamp holder so that it fits firmly but do not make it too tight. Then connect a wire to one end of the battery holder. Then connect a wire to each connection on the bulb holder. And then put the switch in an off position or open position. Then join one end of the bulb holder to the one side of the switch. You're going to join the wire from the battery holder to the other side of the switch, and then connect the other wire of the bulb holder to the free side of the battery holder, and then close the switch to complete the circuit. What would you check first if your lamp did not light up after you followed this step? And why? You're going to answer this question and tell your answer to your partner. You have only 5 minutes to do this activity. For your answer in question 1 and 2 on student book page 74 to 75, you're going to write it in your notebook. So write SB, question 1 and 2, and the page numbers. Now, take a look this slideshow carefully, making a circuit. What are the differences between the circuits? Now, take a look at these standard symbols used in circuit diagrams. As you can see here, we have here the different components and the symbol. Circuit symbols are used in circuit diagrams, showing how a circuit is connected together. First, we have wire. This is the symbol for wire. Then the battery. This is the standard symbol. The larger line here, this is positive. Another, we have bulb. And this is the standard symbol for bulb. Next, switch. This is the symbol for switch. And for the motor, this is the standard symbol. The capital M here stands for motion. And for the buzzer, this is the standard symbol. So these are the standard symbols used in circuit diagrams. Now, it's time for online game. So you're going to click this link and do the online game. This is the link. What you're going to do is to construct a simple circuit. For your individual work, you're going to complete the activity 1 on your workbook, page number 62. My circuits. Build the following circuits. Draw your circuits in the spaces provided below. For circuit 1, a bulb, a battery, and a switch. For circuit 2, 2 batteries, 1 bulb, and a switch. For circuit number 3, 2 bulbs, 1 battery, and a switch. And then for circuit number 4, 2 bulbs, 2 batteries, and 2 switches. You have only 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, for your hands-on activity, you will have the pair work. Do the activity in workbook page 62. Work with your partner to complete this task. Use the different components of electric circuit to do this hands-on activity. What you're going to do? Is it possible to light 4 bulbs with 1 battery? Work with a partner to find out. Record your findings here. What we did and what we discovered. You have only 5 minutes to do this hands-on activity. For your practical activity, this will be an individual work. Do the activity in workbook page 64. Use the different components of electric circuit to do this practical activity. You will investigate changing wire length in a circuit. Terry says it doesn't matter how twisted the wire is or what route it follows in a circuit, as long as it connects correctly to form a complete circuit. She claims that this circuit will work just as well as one with shorter, straighter wires. Do you agree with Terry? What could you do to test whether Terry's ideas are correct or not? For number 3, carry out your test. Write or draw what you do here. Number 4, what is your conclusion? 5, why do you think electricians try to keep wires and cables as short as possible? You have only 5 minutes to do this practical activity. For your assessment, you're going to complete the worksheet and read each question carefully. building electrical circuits. For your homework, scan the QR code and do the homework. This is the QR code. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a good day.